if you're getting people on the call who can't really afford, or they say they can't afford your program, your coaching program, but they really, really want to, what you can do is you can trade with them. So you can say, if we go down to like a 2-pay where you pay half now and half later, would you be able to do that and then start right now? So you're giving them better conditions, but then they also have to give something back, and that is by starting right now. But if that's still too much, then you can go down to even a 3-pay. So then you can say, okay, so you really want to do this, but you think 2-pay is also too much. What I can do for you is I can go down to a 3-pay. So you pay 1/3 now, and you still start now also. And then when you get results, you give me a testimonial. So they have to give you something in return for you giving them better conditions. It gives a lot more buy-in than if you just say, yeah, okay, let's go down to a 3-pay. Then you are kind of in their pocket, so they have to give you something back when you're giving them better conditions. Or it can be if people don't want to start right now, or they say, I want to start in a month's time. What you can do is you can say, okay, so you really want to start, but in a month's time. But what we can do is get you signed up right now, and you pay right now, and then I give you 1 month for free. So the first month is for free, but then you can just start right now, and they'll be available for you when you're ready. But you still have to start right now, pay right now, but you get the first month for free. So that's how you can close more deals. I hope it helps. And if you're a coach, consultant, or agency, and you want high-ticket clients, then we can definitely help you with that. Book a call to learn more. Or if you want clients on automation from your existing audience and email list, we can also help you with that. Or if you want to close more clients, if you're closing less than 30% of people who don't know you, then I can give you some sales training so you can close more deals. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.